Choosing the right web hosting provider is one of the most important decisions you'll make when building a successful website. Your hosting provider affects how fast your website loads, how often it stays online, and how easy it is to manage. So in today's video, we're going to be comparing two very popular hosting platforms, A2 Hosting and Hostinger. Both providers have a lot to offer, but they do cater to different types of users depending on your website goals, budget, and technical experience. We are going to be going over an overview of each, key features, pros and cons, and how to get signed up. Make sure you stick around until the end because I'm also going to show you how you can get the best price possible on both A2 Hosting and Hostinger. That way you can save money while getting top tier performance and all the features. Let's dive in. Starting off with A2 Hosting. A2 Hosting is designed for people who prioritize speed, reliability, and performance. If you're running a high traffic website, an online store, or any project that needs serious power, A2 Hosting is an excellent choice. Their turbo servers are built to deliver lightning fast page loading times, giving visitors a better experience and boosting your site's search engine rankings. One of A2 Hosting's standout features is its 99.9% uptime guarantee. This ensures that your website stays online without unexpected interruptions. For those with technical expertise, A2 Hosting provides advanced features like custom server setups, root access, and staging environments, which makes it a top choice for developers or businesses running resource-intensive websites. Additionally, they do offer free website transfers and automated backups, taking the stress out of migrating from another host or restoring lost data. If you want the best combination of speed, performance, and reliability and are comfortable managing more advanced settings, A2 Hosting is really hard to beat. Now let's take a look at Hostinger. Hostinger is all about offering affordable web hosting without sacrificing performance. It's a top choice for beginners, bloggers, and small businesses looking for an easy-to-use hosting service that won't break the bank. One of Hostinger's biggest selling points is its user-friendly control panel and built-in website builder. This makes setting up a website a breeze, even for complete beginners. They also include valuable extras like free domain names and SSL certificates with many of their hosting plans, adding even more value at no extra cost. Hostinger's global network of servers ensures your website stays fast and responsive no matter where your visitors are coming from. And if you ever run into issues, their 24/7 live chat support is always available to help. But you do want to keep in mind that they don't offer phone support, it is chat only. But with its affordable plans and beginner-friendly tools, Hostinger is perfect for anyone new to web hosting or those looking for a cost-effective solution that still delivers a solid performance. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the key features. Starting off with A2 Hosting. Blazing fast speeds. A2 Hosting's turbo servers are built for maximum speed. They use advanced caching and optimized settings to ensure your website loads quickly, providing a better experience for visitors and improving your search engine rankings. Uptime guarantee. A2 Hosting promises 99.9% uptime, meaning your site will be available almost all the time. Free website migration. If you already have a website, A2 Hosting's migration team will transfer it to their servers for free. This service saves you so much time and reduces the hassle of moving your site. Advanced developer tools. Developers will appreciate features like root access, custom server configurations, and staging environments for testing changes before going live. Global data centers. With data centers located worldwide, A2 Hosting ensures fast loading times for visitors no matter where they're browsing from. This global reach is crucial for international businesses. Next, let's go ahead and take a look at the key features of Hostinger. Simple hosting plans. Hostinger's hosting plans are straightforward and easy to understand, making them great for personal blogs, small businesses, or anyone launching a website for the first time. Easy site management. Hostinger's dashboard is clean and simple, making it really easy to manage your site without feeling overwhelmed. Even beginners can navigate the platform and make updates effortlessly. Global server network. Hostinger has servers around the world to help your website load quickly, no matter where your visitors are coming from. This ensures a smooth user experience across different regions. Free domain and SSL certificate. Many Hostinger plans come with a free domain and SSL certificate, which helps you create a secure, professional-looking website without extra cost. 24/7 customer support. Hostinger's customer support team is available 24/7 through live chat. They're ready to help with any technical issues, ensuring your site stays up and running. Now, let's move on to the pros and cons. A2 Hosting is a great option if you want your website to run super fast, thanks to its turbo servers. It's also very reliable, so your site stays online without unexpected downtime. If you're tech savvy, you'll love the advanced tools that let you customize your website exactly how you want. Plus, they offer free website transfers, as mentioned before, so it means less hassle for you. On the downside, A2 Hosting can be expensive, especially if you want the premium features. It's also not the easiest platform for beginners since it's designed more for people with technical skills. Hostinger, on the other hand, is perfect if you're just starting out with a small website, personal project, or new business. It's easy to use and the dashboard makes managing your site simple, even if you're not very techy. Many of its plans come with free extras like a domain name and SSL certificate, which is going to save you money while keeping your site secure. However, However, if you want more advanced features, you'll have to upgrade to a higher tier plan. Also, there's no phone support, only live chat, so keep that in mind. So which one should you choose? Go with A2 Hosting if you need a super fast, high performance hosting service with advanced features. Now, pick Hostinger if you're on a budget and want something easy to use. It's great for simple websites where affordability and ease of use matter most. Let's take a look at the plans and pricing of each. To get started with A2 Hosting and get the best price possible, make sure you click the link in the description and it will bring you to this page. We'll go ahead and compare the different plans. Here you can see the different options. So first we have the shared hosting, and this is great for those who are just getting started with their website and are looking to stay within a budget. This is just $2.99 a month, and you can save 76% with a 36-month term. Next is the WordPress hosting. This is great for first-time site creators. Their exclusive A2 optimized plugin and Turbo Hub control panel allow you to set a professional-looking website fast. This starts at just $11.99 per month, and if you sign up for a 36-month term, you can save 53%. Next is the VPS hosting. This gives you the ability to control and scale your resources to provide the ideal hosting. That VPS hosting gives you the ability to control and scale your resources to provide the ideal hosting plan that grows with your needs. This plan is starting at $35.99 per month, and if you sign up for a 12-month term, you can save 53%. Lastly is the dedicated hosting. This is for when you need the highest level of power and performance for your website. This starts at $79.99 per month, and you can save 46% with a 24-month term. So again, if you want to get started, I did leave that link in the description for you. Next, let's talk about Hostinger's different plans. Let's go ahead and click Start Now. Here you can see they do have a couple options. So starting with the premium plan, you can save 75%, and that brings it to just $2.99 per month. Next and most popular is the business, and this is if you want to level up with more power and enhanced features. Right now it's $3.99, and you can save 71%, plus you can get 2 months free. Lastly is the cloud startup plan, and this is if you want to optimize performance and use powerful resources. Right now you can save 68%, and it brings it to just $7.99 per month, plus you even get 2 months free on all of these plans when you sign up for a 48-month term. The best part about Hostinger as well is they do have a 30-day money-back guaranteed, so before 30 days is up, you feel like this is not the plan for you, you can go ahead and get your money back. I want to show you how you can save even more. So we'll go ahead and click choose plan. With our exclusive code, you can save even more. So we'll go ahead and stick with the 48 months, and we'll enter in the coupon code. Go ahead and click apply, and then to get signed up, all you'll have to do is go ahead and click continue and create an account. So that wraps up this video. Both A2 Hosting and Hostinger are amazing web hosting providers, each with their own unique strengths. So just think about what your website needs the most, whether that's speed, advanced features, or maybe more affordability, and then go with the provider that best fits your needs. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment with any questions below. And if you want to get started with either Hostinger or A2 Hosting, I've dropped both of the links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.